It is no news that YouTube collaboration can give you your 1,000 subscriber in the next 1 month if you are a new channel. But if you are an old channel, you have been on YouTube for the past 3 months or 4 months and you have gotten to 500 subscribers, in the next 14 to 7 days you can get your 1,000 subscriber. But if you are just starting your channel newly, like from zero ground up, you can get your subscriber if you are consistent, and if you do this the right way, you can get your subscriber, your 1,000 subscriber, in the next 1 month or 2 months maximum. That is how confident I am about this thing. I have already shared it on my channel, and if you have not watched this video, many of my subscribers have seen this video. If you have not watched this video, click on the link right there for you to be able to watch that video, to be able to know this feature that is giving people subscriber on YouTube. And we all know this feature. It is the collab feature that is on YouTube Shorts, to be able to react and collab to people's video. And now in this video, what I'm going to be pointing out is, if you are doing the collab feature the wrong way, it's going to affect your channel. You are going to get low views, going to get copyright strike. That is what I want to discuss with you in this video. You'll be wondering in your mind, how does YouTube collaboration that YouTube built inside their app give you community strike? How is it going to happen? Yes, it does happen. If you are doing it the wrong way, you are going to get YouTube strike or YouTube community strike, but it's not going to demonetize your channel. That is the good news. It is not going to demonetize your channel. You are only going to get copyright strike. But note that once you have gotten copyright strike 3 times in the last 90 days time frame, then your channel is going to get deleted or demonetized. That's if you are monetized. So do not make this mistake. I'm going to be giving you 2 tips in this video that you are going to take note of, so that you keep getting views, so that you keep getting subscribers, and you keep getting views on your shorts, and so that you'll be able to put it at the back of your mind that whenever you're posting shorts, these are the things that you're supposed to do and these are the things you're not supposed to do, so that you can be out of YouTube black books. Now, if you're coming across my face for the first time, my name is Blessing. I teach YouTube strategies, automation, and how to grow a YouTube channel from ground up and monetize. Now, if this is the video you have been looking for, kindly hit the subscribe button so it will not be your last, and you'll be able to see my future video recommendations on your subscribe feed. Subscription is free, so kindly do that right now, and give this video a thumbs up so it can get to more creators. And now put it in the comment section if you are still finding it hard to use YouTube collaboration to get your shot, and why. Because I don't see any reason why YouTube collaboration is not going to give you the subscribers that you need if you are not doing it the right way. And that's why I said you need to watch this video so that you know how to do it the right way. But in this video, I'm going to be giving you 2 tips on things you should avoid and things you should not, that you should put in mind when you are trying to upload YouTube short collaboration. Now, the first thing here is reuse content without significant value. When you are reusing content without significant value, what this means is that when you are collaborating with somebody else video and you do not contribute anything original, like you literally did not do anything. I was watching a fellow creator of mine talking about how one of our subscribers used to do this collaboration and used to put his video screen on the floor, like blank. You are collaborating with another channel, and what you are collaborating with that channel is only that video that is playing. Your own video is nothing is playing, no voice, nothing. I think the person is a faceless channel. But even if you're a faceless channel, you are not using any voice, you are not using any AI tool to be able to, nothing, you're not doing anything to that video. YouTube will detect this and give you community strike, or they are going to give you copyright strike. Please do not do this. Do not do this. It is not good. If you do this, you are going to get a warning from YouTube. Now, please, if you have been doing this before, try and go back to your channel and delete those contents and do it again. Make sure you put in value, make sure you put in originality. And now, under reuse content without significant value, you usually appear like you are just reposting their content, like you just appear and then you just sit back like this. I said it in my live stream. You just sit back and you just be looking at the other video playing, and you are just there just you lost somebody, or I don't know, sad and all that. You're not doing anything significant. That is not why YouTube collaboration was created. YouTube collaboration was created because of the massive use of reaction videos to other people's video. Like, you are taking other people's video, you are reacting to it. It was massive on YouTube. So YouTube has come up with a very good solution, inculcating that collaboration feature into the app directly, so that you will not have any issue when it comes to reacting or collaborating with another person's content. That is why. So why would you sit down and not add value to that video? Tell me why. So now, on another side, you are not transforming the video, you're not adding commentary, you're not adding reaction, you're not putting story, you're not adding your voice, you're not putting anything. Then YouTube is going to detect all these things I have mentioned as reuse content with no significant value, and you're going to get community strike. That's called copyright claim or community strike. So, but there's a good news. If you are going to follow this step I'm about to tell you right now, then you are free and you are going to earn money on YouTube collaboration. Yes, I said it. People are earning money on YouTube collaboration. So you need to know how to do it the right way. Now, the first thing you need to do is the opposite of what I've already said. Add your face, add your voice, add your original text. I have put in all this tutorial in my last video. I'm going to still be linking it here. Please go and watch it, or in the description box, go and watch it. How to add your original text, how to add your voice, how to react properly, how to put your own opinion. Do you know that you can talk on your reaction video? Like, your voice will be, you'll be hearing your own voice, not just the normal lip syncing that you are doing. You'll be hearing your own voice. It is there. You can do that. You can lower the person's audio and then enhance your own voice and talk and react to that video. Literally, it is possible. Please do that. And then you are going to be free from YouTube copyright strike or copyright claim or what have you. When you are collaborating with another channel, you need to take note of some things, so that you also will not get, and you will not have an issue with this collaboration that you are doing. You need to take note of the fact, if the video has copyrighted content, copyrighted music, you will know video that has copyrighted music, like all this celebrity music, that it is not in the YouTube app, it's not in the YouTube feature or in the YouTube song. You will know. Do not collaborate with those type of do not collaborate with those type of um videos. And now, when you are seeing a music footage, like TV clip or a movie clip, TV clip and movie clip, do not react to those type of content. And then celebrity content, do not react to those type of content. You are going to get copyright claim, or even worse, copyright strike. So do not react to other people's content that you know that this content is having some kind of things that is going to put your channel at risk. Abandon it, leave it. Follow the content that are safe for your channel and safe for your viewers and safe for you as a YouTuber and as a content creator, so that you can be able to make money and then enjoy your YouTube shorts and YouTube collaboration in peace. That is it for this video. And if you know that you are still struggling to get your 1000 subscriber using YouTube collaboration and you need one-on-one coaching, you can send me an email. I'm going to put in my email here. You can send me an email and I'm going to be taking you by the hand one-on-one on how to go about it to get your 1000 subscriber.